these are the packages of the Naughty Cedar planking that I bought at Home Depot. They were about $17 and change a package, and each one covers about 14 square feet. This is the stuff I bought to stain the boards with. I got weathered gray, and then Minwax dark walnut, golden oak, and natural. I got this little handy applicator to put it on with. Don't forget to wear gloves. So next I stained all of the boards with the different colors. I did about one package per color. I put the stain on and let it soak for about 30 seconds and wiped it off with a clean rag because I didn't want them too dark. And here they are, all done in the 4 different colors that I stained them. I even tried mixing the brown with the gray, which gave me this look, which I loved. Then I cut up about 50% of my wood into 4-foot, 3-foot, and 2-foot lengths. Just be sure you don't cut it all up because you will have various sizes that you're going to have to cut. Next thing you're going to want to do is find your studs, mark them from the ceiling to the floor so you can follow that line when you're shooting up in your nails. So make sure you get the top row level, don't trust the ceiling, and then I just staggered them. I tried to alternate colors going from top to bottom, and then just tried not to make my seams match up, which it did a couple places, but it's okay. Things happen. The worst part of this whole job is running up and down the stairs 50,000 times to make cuts. Okay, so this is the wall completed in the daylight. Looks pretty good. And now the fun part, we are going to whitewash it. Okay, so I've never whitewashed anything in my life, so I just basically figured it out as I went. I did 1 part paint to 1 part water. It looked like milk. I painted it on, waited for it to dry, put a second coat on. So when I was done painting it, I wasn't satisfied with the look, so I thought to take a palm sander and I just sanded around the seams and the parts that protruded a little bit. Gave it this really rustic, shabby chic cottage kind of look. I really loved the way it came out, plus the sanding it also brought the color out from the wood again. And this is it. This is how it came out. I painted the room a frosted sage color that I got at Home Depot as well. I think it all works well together, and I'm pretty happy with it. So thanks for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you do your own project, post some pictures below. I'd love to see them.